1920s and 30s, it was a lot different. We were learning a lot of things back then. We were discovering vitamins for the first time. We also learned that food could heal. And a lot of these therapies are what were being used to heal people. They were using non-starchy, non-sugary diets to starve cancer in the 1920s and 30s. Take Otto Warburg, for instance. He was doing cancer studies on rats. He thought that the outcome would be that oxygen was what was fueling cancer cells to grow. And what he learned with rats was that it was actually the sugar.
In the healthy cell, glucose is split into carbon dioxide and water. The tumor cell, however, is able to split glucose into lactic acid, and so, in a certain sense, get along without oxygen, and at the same time, obtain the necessary energy from its food. This is true not only in tumor cells separated from the body, but also true of tumors in animals and human beings.
His discovery was well known as the Warburg effect, and it was shown to help in somewhere near 80% of the cases of people who had cancer. Why does it feel like no one knows this information? We were making these discoveries, so what else contributed to them not taking hold? We had a Great Depression, and then we had a war. A lot of people were having trouble putting food in their mouth, period. So I don't think people were caring that much about their health. People were just trying to eat anything. People didn't eat out as much. We made homemade dressings. You didn't have dressings that were full of processed oils, and we weren't adding high fructose corn syrup to everything that we ate. We ate real whole foods that were cooked at home. Even fast food was different back in the 1940s and 50s. If you had French fries, they were made from rendered animal fat, basically beef tallow, which was a better way to cook junk food. So even our junk food was better in the 1940s and 50s and 60s.